My friends, unlike Mr. Fuzzball here, we as handsome Homo sapiens were not born with nighttime vision. We rely on flashlights, fire, and headlights when we are behind the wheel. Foggy headlights hinder our visibility and can cause us to become a nocturnal nuisance on the road. So today, in an attempt to divert you from disaster, I'm going to show you how to clean your headlights so that you can see. So the first thing you want to do is to feel this headlight. If it's kind of rough on the outside, that is an indicator that you can clean it. If you find it to be smooth on the outside though, and it's just kind of yellowing and getting foggy on the inside, then the trick I'm going to show you in this video will not work. That roughness that you feel on the headlight is called oxidation, and it's basically a layer combination of oil, road grime, and airborne contaminants baked on by the sun. The first thing you want to do before we start is to clean the headlight real well and get any bugs off that may be stuck on. Just use some regular old glass cleaner and paper towels. The next step is to apply toothpaste to the headlight. You want to use a real gritty toothpaste, and if it's not gritty, just add some baking soda to it. I'm using Crest baking soda and peroxide whitening. You want to make sure that it's whitening because it's going to have more abrasive ingredients in it, that it's going to have more cutting power than, say, toothpaste that's just made to protect the enamel on your teeth. And when you're applying this, you don't want to be cheap with it. This is no time to be cheap with it. That's why you bought this stuff. Apply it liberally and rub it into the headlight real well. The next step is just to grab you a cleaning toothbrush and just start rubbing it in really well into that headlight. Now this is where all the magic happens. Grab you a spray bottle with some water and spray the headlight down really well, and use your paper towel to buff out the headlight with some elbow grease. After you're done buffing, just spray it down with water, grab you a fresh paper towel, and wipe all the toothpaste off. One thing I want to mention before we close, if you're not happy with the way the headlight looks, you think it can come cleaner, then repeat that process 2 or 3 times. After you've finished though, and you're happy with the way the headlight looks, what you can do is take you some car wax, dip your fingers down in the car wax, and just rub it on the headlight with your fingers, and then take you a clean cloth and kind of buff off and wipe off that wax. And what will happen is it will provide like a protective sealer layer on that headlight, and it'll keep it cleaner longer so that you don't have to repeat this process as often. So that is how to clean the headlight. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and found it valuable. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. Until next time, implement the steps I've outlined in this video and your headlights are gonna be fresh. Minty fresh, actually. And scream perfection.